have the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of November. This is the $12 bag, the small bag. They actually sent me this for review purpose, even though I am subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus, so you will see that later on this month. If you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe. I do a lot of unboxings here if you're into that. And also you can follow me on my Instagram down below, which is a beauty related account. Or if you don't have Instagram, I do have Facebook as well. Anyways, we're gonna jump into this month's bag, and I have to say this bag is so freaking cute. The reason I say that is because this is something that I would actually like use as a little purse to go out somewhere. I remember one time I went to I think it was like a Sweet 16 or something like that, and I didn't have like a little bag, and I actually took one of these Ipsy's bags. It was just like a plain black Ipsy bag, and people were like, oh, how cute is your little clutch? And it was actually like a little Ipsy bag. So this is something that I would definitely maybe like cut this off and then use like as a little clutch to go out somewhere, just because it looks like little faux leather and looks super cute. And I don't say that about a lot of bags, but this one I do enjoy. Anyways, we're gonna jump into this bag. I think I already said that this is sent for PR. And first off, and I did do a little try on of some of these for you guys, so you guys will see that at some point. I usually do timestamps down below. So first thing in here is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream. I have tried this previously, just a little tiny size one as well. Love this cream. I love Glow Recipe. This smells divine and is very nice and moisturizing. I feel like somebody with dry skin as well as oily skin could use this, just because even though it's a little bit on the thicker side, someone with dry skin, I don't feel like it's overly greasy on the skin, so somebody with dry skin could definitely use this as well. Next thing in here, which I do use in the try on portion as well, is the Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. This is by Tarte. This is their Sugar Rush, which I think is like a sideline of their brand. And this smells so freaking good. It smells like peaches, which I love. I just don't understand what the concept of this around it is. Somebody can tell me maybe, because you can't take it. Can you take it off? I think you can take it off. I don't know what the concept of this around it is, if it has some kind of purpose, because it clearly doesn't state it. But I mean, I guess it looks cute. I don't know. It's like it's got its own little waistband on. But this is just basically like a clear lip oil, and it smells divine and gives a lot of moisture to your lips. Next thing in here is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanse. I am excited to use this. It says it has clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract. This is for normal to oily skin, so I don't know if this will dry me out. I will definitely test it out. I have heard so many great things about Tatcha's skincare, so excited to try that. And then this is the Ico Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. I'm going to show you guys what the brush looks like, but I'll probably put this in a giveaway, just because right now I have so many mascaras to go through. I don't want them to get old, and I probably have about like 15 in my collection, so I've been, you know, kind of weeding out and giving forward a lot of mascaras, and this definitely will be one that I'll do in a giveaway or something like that. And the last thing in here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Moon Jelly. Let me see if this is one that I have. This is one that I don't have. This looks absolutely gorgeous as a lip topper, so I will definitely use this in the try on portion and maybe put it on top of this so you guys can see what it looks like as a topper. And that is it. I'm gonna jump into the try on portion so you guys can see some of these products being tried on, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. The first thing from the Glam bag is this full size Sugar Rush by Tarte. This is in a lip oil, and this is called Fresh Press. So it doesn't say like what it's supposed to smell like or anything like that, but we shall see, because Mama's gonna put some on her lips. Oh, that is moisturizing. And it has like a peach smell to it, which I love peaches. So that is what it looks like right there. Nice and glossy, just very moisturizing. You can put your liquid lipstick on top. You definitely have to see what it would go on, because there's some lip balms that I like underneath liquid lipsticks and other ones that are just like, just jack them up. So you would definitely have to see how this would work underneath it. But even just for like every day, if you're just going around with your mask on with no makeup, this would be an awesome little oil treatment for the lips. Next product that I'm going to try is this little moisturizer. I'm just gonna put the littlest amount on my skin just because I already have another moisturizer that I just tried. But this is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle. I can already tell you, I love these. I love these. I love it. I have already tried like a mini size that I had gotten from Sephora. It smells like bananas. If you don't like bananas, then that might not be for you, but I don't know. It doesn't smell as like heavy on here, but if you open the regular one, it smells just like bananas. It's so yummy. I love Glow Recipe, the way their stuff works, the way it smells. I haven't like not loved one of their products. Like I'm not even into avocados, and I like their avocado retinol night cream. It's just Glow Recipe has like knocked my socks off. There isn't a product that I don't love from them. The last product that I'm going to try on is the Moon Jelly. So I think that this is going to be beautiful as a topper, and we're just gonna dot some along the line here. I love the fact that this liquid lipstick is not transferring. Most liquid lipsticks will transfer to, you know, if I'm trying to put a gloss on top. Oh, that is so cool. Oh my God, it kind of gave it like a purpley, do you guys see that? Like a holographic blue purple. Ooh, child. That is pretty. Oh, that is so cool, because here it just looks like, oh, now I kind of see it with the light. It's kind of like this blue purple iridescence, which is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into my final thought. For my final thoughts, I have to say this is a really great bag. Everything in here is something that I would use. The Ico is a really nice mascara. I have tried other mascaras from Ico and they work really nicely. The Tatcha is really nice to try out what one of their cleansers is like. The Glow Recipe, I already love. I love this. This almost makes me like want to purchase the large one, which I've been holding out on buying. It's like in my wish list for Sephora, and I'm like, don't do it, don't do it. I sound like the TikTok girl, I did it. And then the lip oil, I love that it smells like peaches. It gives a lot of moisture, and this is just stunning. Love it. I love that like glittery holographic glow. Yes. So yeah, so that is it for this month's bag. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. Not subscribe, hit that little red button. It's free. And then you can also follow me on my Instagram down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.